Hello, my name is Gary Wade from WhiteKnights Estate Agents, and I'd like to give you a tour of number 23 Harvard Close, the house you see in front of you. So what we have here is a Bryant Homes built one-bedroomed house, freehold, not leasehold, but freehold, and it occupies an end of row, as you can see, and we are in a cul-de-sac. Let's just give you a quick idea of the cul-de-sac itself. Fairly quiet, and if I just turn around the other way, this is the end of the cul-de-sac here. The parking for this property, there are two spaces, as you can see where that blue vehicle is just in front of me. So there are two spaces there, almost opposite, and this property is on a corner, as you can see. Let's take you in through the front door and give you a tour inside. So we go into the entrance hall, and I'll just close the door behind me. We have the stairs taking you to the first floor there. This is a door through to the lounge. I'm just going to turn around actually and show you the window there, and also behind me we have quite a large built-in storage cupboard. You may spot the radiator there just under the window. That would tell you that this property has gas radiator central heating, and that's been added because when they were first built they had electric heating, so the gas radiator heating is definitely a bonus. So into the lounge. Now this property is very nicely decorated, very well presented, certainly would make for a perfect first home, or maybe even an investment property, something to rent out. You know, anybody looking for this type of property, I'm pretty sure is going to like what they see coming into this house. You can see we've got the front aspect window there. The windows are double glazed sealed units, UPVC. So that is the lounge. And then if I just turn round, you can see we've got an opening here, like a double door opening. You could certainly put doors on there if you wanted to separate them, but it takes us into the kitchen. Now this has been refitted, very nicely done, as you can see, with sort of cream coloured units, butcher's block style work surfaces. We've got a built-in oven there with a 4-ringed hob, and you can see the window with the sink just there. And as far as integrated appliances concerned, I'm just going to spin round because I can show you we have a built-in fridge freezer just here. Obviously I've mentioned the oven there, and in the corner just here we have an integrated washing machine, and I think that may be a washer dryer. So just focusing on the units here, you can see the base units there, and then eye level units there. We do have an understairs storage cupboard just here, quite nice tiled flooring as well. And then the radiator, obviously part of the central heating. So now let's take you upstairs and show you the bedroom and the bathroom. Location wise, obviously Harvard Close is a cul-de-sac, and we are within walking distance of the likes of Tesco's Express, the local doctors, the pharmacy, and a few other shops as well. Equally, we're on the edge of Woodley, so the open countryside is just a short walk away. Dinton Pastures, for instance, we're actually on the airfield development, as we call it, and Dinton Pastures runs alongside, so that's the country park. So there's the bedroom. As you can see, a good sized double room. You can see the front aspect window there, UPVC, double glazed, and as I spin round in the corner, you'll notice there's a built-in wardrobe cupboard. But plenty of space really for wardrobes in here. As you can see, we've got an armchair in the corner. Don't normally have that in a bedroom, so that would emphasise we do have extra space. So that's the double bedroom, and then just turning round onto the landing again. In front of us we have the originally the airing cupboard, but if I open up you can now see we've got a gas-fired boiler, and that's a combi. So the hot water tank is no longer needed. Big storage cupboard as well. And then on my right hand side here, the bathroom. Similar to the kitchen, it's been refitted and very nicely done. You'll see there we've got the white suite with, I'll show you, glass shower screen and the shower there with the overhead too, and then the wash basin with a vanity cupboard under, the low level WC, and again nice flooring, and last but not least on the right hand side, heated towel rail. So yeah, so that's the property. Let's just take you back downstairs. I'm just going to finish this tour outside and just show you exactly what we have around this property. Let's just go here, a pathway leading to the neighbours, but this property does have this little area here suitable for the bins and recycling. There's a water tap there, and equally on the other side you've got this laurel bush, which is part of the garden that this property owns as well. So there you go, that's number 23 Harvard Close. If you'd like to take a look inside, then do give us a call. Just should mention that this is a no onward chain sale as well. Lovely condition, always very popular. And let us know if you'd like to take a look inside. Thanks for watching.